You listening to the Chris Money Show?
Happy Thanksgiving. It's very nice to see you today. Welcome to the Chris Money Show. We have wonderful things going on, very liquid pre-Thanksgiving trading. I think Friday is a 1 p.m. equity close, probably 12 bond close. You have illiquid action. We had peaks right at the morning. We had selling the moment the market opened, the cash market at 9:30. We have Michael Burry trying like a madman to really let the markets know that we should be buying his Substack because he is going to bring down NVIDIA, the largest company in the world. Why would the largest company in the world be, claiming that there's just this and that, and this guy is just so out of line with his depreciation issues? Doesn't matter. NVIDIA will change the rules to suit them. They're that big. They're not Enron size. They're much bigger. They've got JP Morgan powers. JP Morgan was able to go into the Silicon Valley banking insurance issue and go ahead and say, you know what? We're not going to have another 2008. We're going to have an issue where we're going to hold it to maturity, and government, you're going to take these off our books. If we say that it's held to maturity, it's held to maturity. It's worth what we say it's worth. Be damned the fact that buildings in San Francisco are being sold for 1/100th of what they were. This would have collapsed the entire system, 2008 style, if that were to come to pass. But we don't let that come to pass anymore because JP Morgan sees that happening and says that's not on our books, but that's on theirs, and that could spread like wildfire. Lobbyists to congressmen to law to the Fed, held to maturity. Held to maturity. You're not going to go ahead and cause some run on the banks here. And Michael Burry, you're not going to cause some run on chip stocks because you've got an issue with their accounting work, because, you have an understanding of, and he's got the best understanding of anybody. Like, he is a more eloquent, there's Teslac, he's NVIDIAC with the Q on the end. Like, they should be bankrupt or something because of the way that this whole circular thing is going around. We know. We see it. I like that meme guy that put the magnet on the back of the NVIDIA truck, pulling it. Yeah, that's going down. But there's just too much money. It's too big to fail in the market, knows that already, and it's already priced that in and says, we're going to go ahead and accept these earnings because these are GAAP earnings. This is the way it works. This is the way of the world. So, yeah, there is going to be really amazing options trades in here. No question about it. That's what Mike trades. Dr. Burry, he's got puts on Palantir and NVIDIA. He's waiting for those 20%, and he'll get out. He'll get out of his plays before it really were to blow up or something like that. He's really just looking for a movement. He's definitely looking for, sorry for my shadow here, looking for his trades to work, man. If I can make my trades work just by tweeting some stuff, I will do that. I try. I do. I mean, I go on there and I say, like, Tesla, the robot's going to go up. I don't care. I just want my trade to work. We're all capitalists here in this market. We're not guided by anything but self-interest. And that's the truth of the matter. And, he's not some benevolent white knight out here saying that this is a depreciation issue and God bless it, America. This isn't the way. They're holding people back from visas and stuff like that. No, he's looking to make his options trade work. He's got no spread. He's got no cushion, as far as we know. And now he's not Scion Capital Management, registered investment advisor. I'm not PCI, registered investment advisor. We're just out here trying to sink our teeth into the trades and make them work for us so we don't have to go get a real job. Anyway, this is a Chris Money Show. It's a quick update. I'm long-winded. I can talk all day about dumb stuff. Hopefully you have a great weekend. Happy Thanksgiving.